Welcome to Synrang Ka Deng. Studang kaba. Le chok le tar le a stai. Thaurap kaba. Not sorry. Thaurap saflang. Rap chru. Ke. Very dangerous spine. Look at the sharpness, brother. Usegana hot pain. Very painful when it hits you. This is one kind of a lime here available with us. We call it rama. See its leaf and fruits of it. It's a rectangular, elongated portion, not a round spherical one. But it's been locked up by all our fellow villagers who are nearer to us. This is the thumb and all the kaba you could see with the banana, yellowish color, ready to be ripened and to be cut off. Collection. That's the hill benthor, the benthor, and far end is the morning. That one's Synrang Ka Deng, 50-foot drop rock. Synrang means we call it cliff, you fall, you drop, you Ka Deng, kind of person. Ka means a she, prefix given to a lady or a place. So either someone had jumped up from that, the Deng. She might have jumped up from that, hence it's got even the name Synrang Ka Deng, fall of the Deng on her name. Atop the Synrang Ka Deng. This black mold, black formation here. It's the formation of this 50-foot drop. So downwards portion. And this is the peak of it. Not that scary as it is because it's covered by these trees. But else if there's no tree, you could see the drop of it would be quite high when you look at it, height. But since it's covered by trees, so it will not be up to that. Scariness of it will be low. So there it is. Hey, Synrang Ka Deng. There's one more trap for collection of kaba, kaba. Itu serang pool, ban with your sumai. Let's go from here then. Ayo, don't fall down. The rest will be okay. Wah, hike. It's a 2-layer. It's the first one. Yay. And this is the second one. Like top portion of it. These are all the trees. I can get a trap more. I'm through to the other side. Small one here, 50. Let's say it 50 or 60. I can pass it through in between from here. Hey, or we can climb from up top from there. Or we can walk past it again through that one. Or you can climb down through the trees. Or if you have guts, you can jump directly through there. But that depends on you if you don't want to break your legs. Pok mo, trip mo. Kita pok na huyer na. Anang kalan sini sa perdiu. Right. Right, kita trip mo kun jayo. Omdi, see? Clear water, you can drink it, you can cook it, dripping from the rock. Yeah, here we got the below frying pan, below white cloth over bamboo umbrella, and this is the lower part of it. Yeah, that's where I just walk, see up top and all these trees. Nice one. If it happens to be under nearby highway, this will like one destination stop for photograph. Yeah, we are local, so we could are habituated to it. But for the first time we stop, it's also one kind of attraction, the rock formation. It's not that attractive. Yeah, attractive. Perhaps temporary. This is Synrang Ka Deng. We'll get to the pool.